durable thick straps. You know, make sure nothing cracks open in shipping. You know, it isn't FedEx, so someone's gonna drop kick it, but you still don't know what's gonna happen.
You just rubbing yourself all over the place?
You got the, I think it means document. I don't speak German.
Show it again?
Documente? I presume.
Part documentation.
Yeah.
Really?
You said document. I'm saying document.
It's the same root word.
Oh, no. We're
I'm
doing
gonna document my murdering of you.
Yeah, you said there was a knife in your hand.
Exactly.
He's an insurrectionist.
You think I'm not gonna stab you to death?
Yeah.
I'm sending this to the tuxedo people, so just so you know.
Wait, are you videotaping?
I am.
Oh.
Why is his phone out?
I thought he was just taking pictures.
I'm okay with Germans knowing.
Here we are just talking stupid shit and people are gonna see it.
Because he's sending all that stuff to them. He's having a very active conversation with them, apparently.
I guess as the most important person in the world, aside from you, said, you better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Nice foam. That's probably my fault. There's a booklet in here. Is this German? This is German. But that has web server with Nginx for HTTP2. It sucks that HTTP v3 is already out.
So it's all in German?
This is in German.
Well, when you're done with it, give it to me and I'll make art with it.
What I do like is that yeah. So I mean, so the pamphlet's already out of date. So is that piece of paper? Oh, you could open it up. Oh, I didn't really survive being packed. That's unfortunate. Oh my god. I didn't see that coming. It's a decent setup though. I mean, KM Live isn't perfect. And it's really confusing. The rest of this is pretty accurate. There are other better things than Thunderbird, but yeah.
How does it feel in your hand?
The box, that's a very solid box. It's a little flexy in the middle, actually. I think I saw 8 out of 10 of boxes. You know, this is Apple would have been solid. And this would not be flexing at this. Not acceptable.
You gonna use that box afterwards?
Maybe?
If not, give it to me.
No, this is upside down. There's no labeling on this thing, so I don't actually know what way red set up is other than feeling that move. So it's that. Nice, again, nice foam. You know. What's that mouse pad?
Beautiful.
Yeah. This is the most important part, actually. The circular mouse pad also. How are you supposed to use that? It's for the aesthetic, I guess. You got the laptop. It was quality checked. You know it's quality. And stickers on it. Also, an anesthetic bag. That's actually not always universal. Which way is that? Ooh.
Enough packaging on that sucker?
No. Oh, okay. You shipping something from Germany, I don't blame them for doing a bit of extra packaging. Okay, this is not the most important part. Obviously, the most important part is the accessories. As we all know.
You have to pick the box up so we can see what you're doing here.
Oh,
It's unboxing therapy.
well, it's like you start opening it, if I'm recording this, and then you start picking up again. That's the steps. I have no idea what this could be. He's already bored by this. Well, there aren't any kind of changes. This is all very straightforward unboxing. You know, can't keep the dog engaged. It's not worth it. Why don't I do it? So you got this. Maybe something else was going to speak. Oh, the Web FAI. This is like the installer, like the automated install. But if it's a USB stick, just take the USB stick. I said I will take.
you go, Butterfingers.
Doesn't say how big it is. Oh, I'll take a free USB stick. Is USB 3? Yeah, USB 2. So nice to have. Especially that nice one that loops around like that. Not one but two pens, because the keyboard they ship you with is not good enough for writing if you're a true professional.
Well, not if you're creative.
Of course not. You know, you can't plug in a drawing tablet. Okay, now I still have no idea what the thing is. This I have to. So Chinese writing. Oh, it's stickers from the CPU and stuff. 74,000 series, the 7. There's 2 stickers in here. Are there 2 AMD stickers? I don't even know how to open this, it's gonna be fine. Teeny tiny little Ziploc bag, which is super annoying to deal with. Though I don't think they actually made this bag because it has 2 AMD stickers in it, so. Just gotta get that APU. Not English. Encryption. There's some documentation. There's a default password, which is some random numbers. Oh, there's the English side. MyTextCRD. Some code, I don't know what that is. I have that's for my online storage. I get 10 gig of online storage in Germany. I don't know who they get their storage from. I host themselves. That's a beefy power brick. My god, you could kill someone with that thing. 90 watt output, 19 volt. Unfortunately, it's 19 volt. If it was 20, well, the 19 volt might be in USB PD. It was actually like 20 volt. I could just use a USB-C adapter for it, and if I had a compatible brick, I could charge it off many USB devices. But look what it is. The inline AC to AC power adapter. Inline being the brand name. Is it premium? Doesn't say premium on it. Oh, now, the least important part of all this, the laptop. Okay, oh, it's backwards. That's an issue. That's not their issue, though. That's my issue. Come on. Wouldn't matter if it, there's a peel in here. Alright. Hold on. You gotta get the mic close to us. I'll get the mic close to us. You gotta. Brilliant. What is this? Oh. A little bit of adhesive that left over on the side of the pull tab. So.
Does it boot up?
I didn't check that. One step at a time. Hold the button down. Oh, now it's on. Keyboard's very tactile. Also, in software, you can change all the touchpad settings. It's a balloon going up because it's cold. Checking media presence. You order this while driving it?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, yeah, just kick on in the BIOS. Not bad. Yeah, that all looks good. Oh, they have some like weird charging thing. Wi-Fi is not capitalized. That's amazing. Power. How do I haven't used this in a while. Active performance profile. Balance provides full performance with a smooth fan control. Sound. There's no sound option. They don't say anything about enthusiast here. There's balance and enthusiast, but there's sound profile and balance profile. So I don't really know what this means. So I'm gonna go with enthusiast. That's the unknown. All right. Okay, me not knowing how the errors work is because I've been spoiled with the fancy ones. CPU configuration. The main. Let's see the 4000H. It's AMD CPU, so it's all overclockable if I was some complete insane person. 8 cores at 2.9 gigahertz base, but that goes up a lot because AMD, and it needs heat You got all your boot options. That's not really what's going through. The only stuff that's actually useful is in the advanced setting, which I don't know if that's more or less fun, but it's more fun. But also, there's stuff here which is a bit odd, but the left shift at least is a right shift at least good enough. So, socket 0 information. At least the BIOS is compatible with a multi-socket CPU. You know, that's the most important thing. Yeah, it all seems pretty standard. I don't have a boot disk in my back pocket because I'm not some weirdo. Oh. You raise a good point. Does it come with a disc in it though? I don't know if this thing has any disc in it at all.
No, you have to put the disc of the RAM in.
Yeah. Well, there's 8 gigs of RAM in it, that's why it's posting. It isn't posted up RAM, in fact. Ooh, that's the only part you got. Of course, go with the I/O. Full-size Ethernet. Thank you. Some USB 2 and 3s. Headphone. Oh, a Kensington lock. If I if I'm some weirdo who uses Kensington locks. And the USB port, which I think does power delivery. Do you remember?
I think so, yes.
Okay. Hopefully it does. That's what I'll be using. This is not 3, so I do in the not 3 slot. Not that it actually matters. Save change and reset. There's some power thing where we'll try to save your battery, flex charge, I think they call it. Flexi charge. And it doesn't charge it. Oh, second peel. Other than that. See what I'm saying? But it's a flexi charge thing where that's what I call it. It doesn't charge your battery all the way up. That'd be kind of cool. I think Max used to do that. Also, you got to, of course, get the second peel. Teeny tiny little handle. There we go. These handles are a bit stuck in the end, which is... I don't know if that's supposed to come out of shipping, but... Only a mediocre peel on that one. But it's webcams on top. Is it... Complaining about firmware, that's normal Linux boot up stuff. Our netlink. E0 isn't plugged in because, of course, it isn't. Te gusta?